Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are now in lecture 4, Relational Algebra Part 2. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand the projection and selection in relational algebra. Let's take a look on selection. Selection operation works on a single relation R and defines a relation that contains only those tuples of R that satisfy the specified condition or predicate. We will represent selection in relational algebra by using sigma. Sigma, predicate, and inside the parenthesis here is the relation. Predicate is our condition in the query. Let's take a look at this example. We have staff relation. Inside the staff relation, we have staff number, first name, last name, position, sex, DOB, salary, and branch number. Now the query asks you to find detail of staffs with salary greater than 10,000. If we take a look here, we want the details, means we select all of the columns with a condition salary greater than 10,000. How we can do it will be sigma, means we do a selection of salary greater than 10,000 from which relation? The relation name is staff. Okay, selection salary greater than 10,000 from relation staff. And this is the result that you will have. If you can see, all of the employees, all of the staff here has salary greater than 10,000. Now let's take a look at another example. Let's say we have more than one conditions. How can we do it? We have the same staff relation just now. What we would like to find is the details of staff with salary greater than 10,000 and working as manager. See, we still want to find the details of staff, means we want to get all of the columns here. However, we have two different conditions here. The first one is salary greater than 10,000 and the second one is working as the manager. If you take a look, the logical condition here is N. So how can we do it in relational algebra would be selection by using sigma, salary greater than 10,000 as our first condition, and logical condition. And the second condition is position equals to manager, from which relation? Staff. And based on the result, this is what you will get. Sometimes you also have a few other logical operators that you can use. It depends on what the question wants. You can use AND, you can use OR you can use NOT. Now let's take a look on projection. Projection works on a single relation R and defines a relation that contains a vertical subset of R, extracting the values of specified attributes and eliminating duplicates. So what does it mean here? We want to project only the column. Okay, we have to take only the column. So the projection is represented by pi. If we take a look here, how to do the projection is pi or projection column 1 up until column n from the relation. Okay, from the relation. The relation must be put inside the parenthesis. Let's take a look on the example. We still have the same staff relation. Let's take a look at the query. Produce a list of salaries for all staff showing only staff number, first name, last name, and salary details. If we take a look, we have 8 columns in our relation: staff number, first name, last name, position, sex, DOB, salary, and branch number. However, we just want to display the staff number, first name, last name, and salary. 4 out of 8 columns, means we need to use projection. How to do it is project by using pi, staff number, first name, last name, salary from relation staff inside the parenthesis. And this is the result that you will get. If we take a look, we just have only 4 columns being projected in the table result instead of 8. And all of the rows are selected because we don't have any condition in our query. Now let's take a look at another example with projection and selection. We still have the same staff relation, and the query would be produce a list of salaries for all staff showing only staff number, first name, last name, and salary details for staff that has salary greater than 10,000. If we take a look here, out of 8 columns, we just want to project only 4 columns, which are staff number, first name, last name, and salary. And we have a condition now. So what is the condition? The salary must be greater than 10,000. So how can we do it? We will now project staff number, first name, last name, salary. We will do a selection of salary greater than 10,000 from relation staff. Remember, the relation name has to be inside the parenthesis. And this is the result that you should get. So I guess that's all for now. See you again in the next part. Thank you.